So if you have a business that needs to get appointments in order to win new clients, then in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple step-by-step process or strategy that you can follow to get predictable, high-quality appointments and new clients every single month in your business. Now, the key thing here is predictable. It's important that a strategy that you use to get appointments and clients every month in your business is predictable. It shouldn't be something that you just do once and then it's kind of like a fluke and it doesn't work again. It should be something that you can sort of just turn on and it works again and again and again and gets you predictable results. So that's what this video and this strategy is all about. So to do this, the first step is you need to choose a traffic source. And a traffic source is basically where your potential clients are hanging out. So this could be LinkedIn, this could be Facebook, this could be Google, this could even be YouTube, or it could be any other place that your potential clients are active on. And then once you've chosen that traffic source, you need to figure out how do you generate leads using that traffic source, because every single marketing channel will work in a slightly different way. So for example, generating leads on Facebook ads will work differently to generating leads on LinkedIn or generating leads on Google. So every marketing channel will have its own way of generating leads. Now on my YouTube channel, I also have a lot of videos on how you can generate leads on LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, and all these different channels. So if you want to check that out after watching this video, you can do that. But in the meantime, just keep that in mind. You want to choose a traffic source, a marketing channel that can get you in front of your potential clients. Now, the second step is to have an opt-in page. So once you find your potential clients on one of these marketing channels, you then need to figure out how do you get them interested in what it is that you do. So the way that I recommend you do it in the beginning, provide them some sort of free content, some sort of valuable content that can solve a big painful problem that they have. And then after they have consumed that content and they like what they hear, then they can schedule a call with you to learn more. Now, on the opt-in page, before they can access that content, you need to make sure that they give you their name and email. And this step is really important because we need that name and email so we can maximize the amount of conversions that you get. So you can maximize the amount of appointments and clients that you get from the leads that you generate in this step. And then this brings me on to step 3. Step 3 is to have a video sales letter. Now, a video sales letter is kind of like having a salesperson that works for you 24/7. And what happens is after someone enters their name and email to watch a video that goes through how you can help them, that video sales letter will explain how you can help them. It will explain why you are different compared to other alternative solutions that they might be able to use. And it will go through in more detail who you are a good fit for and who you're not a good fit for. And then at the end of that video, if people like what they hear in that video and they want to learn more, then you can say to them, if you like what you heard in this video and you want to learn more about how we can help you, how we can do all of this for you, then click the button below this video to schedule a call. And then what happens is you're only going to get calls and appointments with people that are genuinely interested in speaking with you. What a lot of other people do when they're generating leads is that they ask for their name, phone number, and email address. And then once they have their phone and email, they're constantly following up with them, trying to get an appointment. But the difference is, like I mentioned earlier, you in that scenario are the one chasing that prospect to get an appointment. Whereas with this strategy, it's the other way around. They are the ones that say they want to speak to you. They are the ones that book an appointment with you in your calendar. So that means you get a much more higher quality lead with someone that's genuinely interested in speaking to you. Now, at this stage with the video, you are going to get some of your leads convert into appointments, and that's great. But not all of your leads will convert into appointments. In fact, only a small percentage of your leads will typically convert into appointments straight away. So that's why it's so important that you have their email address, because once you have their email address, now you can follow up with them with the final step through follow-up email marketing. And with your follow-up emails, it's very important that you don't just send them emails constantly asking them if they want to book an appointment with you. Instead, send them emails that provide value to them, that provide helpful free content that can actually solve problems that they have that are related to the services that you can help them with. And by doing this, every single email that you send out is going to build up more trust and you're going to be nurturing those leads so that when they do reach the point that they want to work with you, they decide to work with you rather than anyone else, because you're the one that's built up that relationship with them. Now, after you've gone through all of those steps, the final thing you need to do is put everything together. So you actually need to take action and do what I've just told you in these steps. And if obviously you don't take any action, you're never going to get any results. So if you want to learn how you can take action and how you can put all of this system together in a little bit more detail, obviously there's only so much I can cover in a YouTube video like this, but if you want to see the detail as to how it all works, then go to salesappointmentsmasterclass.com, and in that video I'll go through in more detail all of the different steps that you need to take in order to get predictable appointments each month.